Think expensive gear always wins? Think again. Today, I'm revealing insane under $50 products that look premium, perform like champions, and might completely change your setup. Stay till the end because these budget finds get crazier one after another. If you love smart deals, grab these through the links in the description and support the channel. The first product on the list is G-Skyer Telescope. The night sky feels fake until you see Saturn's rings with your own eyes. That's the strange magic behind the G-Skyer Telescope 600 by 90 millimeter. One clear evening can suddenly turn your backyard into a front row seat to the universe. What stops most beginners? Confusing setups, weak optics, shaky tripods that ruin the moment before it even starts. The G-Skyer 600 by 90 millimeter refractor telescope attacks those frustrations with a beginner-friendly design, fully coated optics, and enough light capture to make the moon's craters and Jupiter's moons feel alive instead of blurry dots. The experience feels surprisingly personal. Short setup, smooth controls, a smartphone adapter for quick moonshots. It's built for curious families, students, casual stargazers, and anyone wanting their first real astronomy telescope without entering expert territory. Still, it's not flawless. At maximum magnification, stability drops, and focusing takes patience. Serious astrophotography users may outgrow it fast. Compared with cheaper 70mm beginner scopes, though, the 90mm aperture delivers brighter, richer views that feel dramatically more immersive. Some products collect dust after a week. This one quietly creates memories people talk about for years. The second product on the list is JVScam X3 Compressed Air Duster. Dust inside a gaming PC can quietly destroy performance long before people notice the problem. That's where the JVScam X3 Compressed Air Duster changes the story. One blast from its high-speed brushless motor feels less like a gadget and more like unleashing a pocket-sized storm. Most buyers struggle with the same headache. Disposable air cans run out fast, lose pressure, freeze your hands, and become expensive over time. The JVScam X3 fixes that with a rechargeable cordless design, 130,000 RPM airflow, multiple nozzles, and adjustable speed settings built for keyboards, gaming setups, car interiors, cameras, and dusty workspaces. What stands out immediately is the convenience. Lightweight body, USB-C charging, surprisingly strong airflow for such a compact electric air duster. Compared with cheaper mini dusters that feel weak near PC fans, the X3 delivers noticeably deeper cleaning power without relying on disposable cans. Still, honesty matters. On maximum speed, it gets loud and slightly warm during long cleaning sessions. It also lacks a vacuum mode. This product makes the most sense for gamers, PC builders, car owners, and creators tired of wasting money on canned air every few weeks. Some tools disappear into drawers after the excitement fades. This one keeps earning its place every single month. The third on the list is Portable Bluetooth Speaker. A weak speaker can kill the mood of an entire trip in seconds. Tiny sound, distortion at high volume, battery anxiety before the night even starts. That's exactly why a good portable Bluetooth speaker feels less like a gadget and more like part of the experience. The real struggle happens before buying. People want deep bass, strong battery life, waterproof protection, and easy Bluetooth connectivity without carrying around something bulky. A quality wireless speaker solves that balance beautifully. Compact enough for travel, loud enough for outdoor hangouts, reliable enough for daily use. Recent portable models now offer IP67 waterproofing, USB-C charging, low latency, and surprisingly rich bass from compact bodies. What makes these speakers popular is flexibility. Gym sessions, gaming rooms, road trips, backyard evenings. One device suddenly follows every part of life. Compared with older wired speakers or cheaper mini speakers that sound hollow, modern portable Bluetooth speakers create fuller audio without complicated setups. Still, honesty matters. Smaller models can lose clarity at maximum volume, and ultra-budget options often sacrifice bass depth or battery consistency. This category fits students, travelers, gamers, casual music lovers, and anyone tired of listening through weak phone speakers. Music changes differently when it moves with you instead of staying trapped in one room. Fourth on the list is OD-Star Desktop Vacuum Cleaner. Most desk setups don't become messy overnight. It happens silently. Cookie crumbs near the keyboard, dust hiding under the monitor, tiny paper scraps slowly turning a clean workspace into visual stress. That's why the OD-Star Desktop Vacuum Cleaner feels oddly satisfying from the first minute you use it. The biggest problem buyers face is convenience. Traditional vacuums are bulky for tiny messes, while wipes just push debris around. The OD-Star Mini Desktop Vacuum Cleaner solves that with a compact cordless design, 360-degree cleaning movement, quiet operation, and enough suction for keyboards, desks, craft stations, and office setups. Its lightweight body makes quick cleanups feel effortless instead of annoying. What makes it appealing is the simplicity. Flip the switch, glide it across the desk, done in seconds. Compared with larger handheld vacuums, this desktop cleaner is easier to store and less disruptive during work sessions. Still, it's important to stay realistic. Heavy debris and larger particles can require multiple passes, and emptying the dust compartment can get messy. This product fits students, office workers, gamers, crafters, and anyone tired of seeing crumbs beside expensive gear. A cleaner desk doesn't just change how a workspace looks. Somehow, it changes the entire mood sitting in front of it. Last on the list is Musicozy sleep headphones. Silence has become expensive. Between snoring, traffic, late-night scrolling, and restless thoughts, falling asleep peacefully feels harder than ever. That's what makes the Musicozy sleep headphones surprisingly addictive after a single night. The biggest issue people face before buying sleep headphones is comfort. Regular earbuds dig into the ears, especially for side sleepers, while bulky headphones feel impossible to wear in bed. Musicozy solves that with a soft Bluetooth sleep headband design that blends thin speakers, light-blocking fabric, and wireless audio into one relaxing setup. White noise, podcasts, ASMR, or calming music suddenly feel immersive instead of distracting. What stands out most is the practicality. Lightweight fit, stable Bluetooth connection, long battery life that comfortably survives overnight use. Compared with premium sleep earbuds like the Soundcore Sleep Series, the Musicozy Sleep Mask costs far less, while still delivering reliable comfort for travel, meditation, and bedtime routines. Still, honesty matters here too. Audio quality is decent rather than cinematic, and hot sleepers may notice warmth after long sessions. Some long-term users also mention durability concerns around the internal wiring. This fits travelers, side sleepers, students, light-sensitive sleepers, and anyone exhausted from noisy nights. Some gadgets entertain you for a few minutes. This one quietly changes how your nights feel. Sleep is something people don't realize they're missing until they finally experience a quiet night again. If the Musicozy sleep headphones surprised you, the links waiting in the description can help you check today's price and details for yourself. Drop your thoughts in the comments, subscribe for more smart tech finds, and I'll catch you in the next discovery before everyone else does.